Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 5 Black. This one does include the Remo, the wireless remote. It's a waterproof voice activated remote, so that's pretty cool. Best Buy had these on sale for $2.99, both the regular one and the one that included the remote, so I was like, why not? I didn't purchase this as an action camera per se, but more of a small camera to get some shots when I'm doing, stuff on my computer, as well as I might purchase an Elgato Cam Link. This does work with that, so I might use this for some live streaming, stuff like that. So that is it for the box. Right here we have the GoPro and the remote. The remote itself, it looks like it comes with a wrist strap and a little pendant kind of thing that you can wear. It's got a power button on the top of it. I don't know if the remote is rechargeable or anything about that. I've never seen the remote. Let's see. Yes, so the remote is rechargeable. It has a USB-C port on it, same thing the GoPro has. So that's pretty cool. You can use that as a remote button, as well as it's voice activated. So is the camera. It's got that built into it as well. So the camera is screwed to the mount right here, which is like a little, I guess I use them as tabletop mounts. They work pretty good for that. And then you have your GoPro instructions. We have the Remo user guide. We have some GoPro stickers. Important product and safety instructions, pretty thick booklet there. And then we have the GoPro Get Started guide. And then we have more important product and safety information. Let's see, we have the, looks like a Velcro strap for the remote. And then we have a little clip for the remote, like I said. And it does appear that it is, I think it was magnetic. It was stuck to something. I don't know if it was magnetic or if it was just, I don't think it's magnetic, it was just stuck in the mount right here. We have a Usbc cable. Nice thing is it charges with USB-C, so if you have a bunch of these long cables laying around like you use for your phone or whatnot, you can charge it with that. We have the battery right here. Another thing about the Hero 5 Black and Hero 6 Black are you can change out the batteries. Can't do that on the Session. We have a curved mount right here. And then under this flap we have nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and just take off the camera from the top here. I'm going to use this camera plugged in most of the time. Like I said, I'm not really going to be using it as so much of an action camera as I am a camera for doing stuff like live streams and stuff like that. Take that off, take it out of the case. Maybe. There we go. Take it out of the case. Let me put the battery in real quick. Let's see, it goes. That slides open. Looks like you have your micro SD card slot and battery slot in there. Hopefully we have a little bit of juice. Let's see, it looks like it goes in like so. That is not in all the way. Okay, so it only goes in one way. It is powering on, I think. Let's see. That is not a button. Okay, so we do have a low battery warning. See if we can get it set up here. It is on the GoPro screen. Hero 5, welcome. English, today is January 6th. 2018 is 4:54 p.m. Nice having a touchscreen for the setup. PM, GPS, on is fine. We don't need a tour. Skip camera tour, yes. View preferences to take the tour again, okay. So we have that. We have 4% battery remaining. No SD card. GPS is on. Pretty cool. No SD card. So that is pretty nice. Let's see, how do you... You can hit the mode button to turn it off. Or not off, to change the modes, as well as power it off. So there is that. It is set up ready to go. As far as ports on it, we have looks like a micro HDMI and a USB-C, so you can charge and connect it to a monitor at the same time. Like I said, it does support the Elgato Cam Link, so we're going to be probably setting it up with that and doing some live streams with it, as well as using it as a small handheld camera for when I'm shooting different stuff. So there is that. That is the GoPro Hero 5. I did pick up a 64GB Class 10 SD card for it as well. And this has been Colin with Techout. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.